The train is on its way! Choo-choo! Yay!
Peppa Pig and Danny Dog are driving a train full of gold, silver and...
Broccoli!
Is broccoli treasure?
Yes, it's special broccoli made of sparkly diamonds.
Peppa and Danny aren't really driving a train. They're using their imagination to pretend.
Hooray!
Stop! In the name of... robbers!
Oh no! Pedro Pony and Susie Sheep are pretending to be train robbers.
Can we have all your treasure, please?
No.
Oh, okay. You're supposed to steal the treasure, Susie. Oh. Ha-ha! We have stolen all the treasure!
Hooray! What do we do now?
You escape.
Oh, yes. Yee-haw!
Whoa! Come back, you naughty robbers.
Now Peppa and Danny are pretending to be police officers. They're going to catch the robbers.
You caught us. No, we didn't. Because, your boat can fly.
Madame Gazelle, can ships fly? Real ships cannot fly.
Oh.
But pretend ships certainly can.
Hooray!
Wow!
Now Pedro and Susie are in a flying boat.
Oh, our train can fly too.
Whee! Uh-oh! Hey!
Police officers Peppa and Danny have almost caught the robbers.
Home time!
Oh.
Is it a giant?
No, it's a daddy pig. And he's coming to take you home. Charge!
What are you doing, Peppa?
We're pretending to fly our boats and trains, Daddy.
Oh my, what an imaginative bunch you all are. Oh, aha!
Peppa loves imagining things. Everyone loves imagining things.
Hi.
Today, Peppa is going to Rebecca Rabbit's burrow.
Bye, Mummy. Whee!
Today, Peppa is already at Rebecca Rabbit's burrow. She's come to play a new video game called
Carrot Catcher. Do you want to play?
Yes, please. I'm amazingly, really excellent at games.
Oh dear, Peppa doesn't know how to begin the game.
I am amazingly, really excellent at games, but maybe it would be more fun if you started the game, Rebecca. Oh, yes, I knew that.
First, you pick your bunny. Then you hop around and catch the carrots.
Oh, yes.
Peppa is amazingly really excellent at video games, but she might need a bit of help with this one.
How do you catch the carrots, please, Rebecca?
Like this.
Yay! I'm good at this. Oh.
My turn.
Wow!
Rebecca Rabbit is amazingly really excellent at this game.
Wow! You're really good at catching carrots, Rebecca.
I've had lots of practice. Do you want to play together now? We can be a team.
Yes! Woohoo! Got it!
Yay!
Here's one.
There's one.
Whee!
Carrots.
New high score!
Hooray!
Peppa and Rebecca make a very good team.
Rosie, Robbie, what are you doing? Hello, you two. Have you seen the twins? They've run off with our lunch.
We'll catch them.
We're good at catching carrots.
And baby bunnies.
Found one. Rosie. Gotcha.
Here's another one. Robbie, got it. Still good.
Peppa and Rebecca are very good carrot catchers.
Yay!
Hooray! Lunch is saved.
For you.
In fact, Peppa and Rebecca are amazingly really excellent carrot catchers.
Hello. Hi.
Peppa and her family have come to the balloon shop to collect a special balloon for a garden party.
Miss Rabbit, can we have our fancy planet-friendly recyclable balloon? Whoa. Oh.
Wow.
The balloon shop is full of balloons.
Miss Rabbit? Oh, you found me. I've been lost in the balloon since Tuesday morning. Must be lunchtime by now.
It's Wednesday, Miss Rabbit.
Oh. Anyway, here are all your fancy planet-friendly recyclable balloons, ready for the party. All? But we only ordered one.
Whoa. Oof.
It says here 1,000 balloons for Mummy Pig's party.
Oh, but we don't need this many, and we can't waste them. What do we do?
I know. We can share them.
Peppa and her family are giving the extra balloons to everyone in
For
town.
you. Whoops.
Oh, thank you.
And one for both of you. Here you go. Red balloon. Green one for you.
Only 992 to go.
This is going to take forever.
Uh-oh, and we have to go and set up the party.
I have a great idea. Grab some balloons and follow me, everyone.
Hooray!
It is time for the party, and everyone is beginning to arrive.
Hello, Susie. Here's your balloon. Oh, thank you.
Miss Rabbit has used the balloons to turn the garden party into a balloon party.
Miss Rabbit can make anything with a balloon.
Or anyone. Here you go.
It looks like me. And this one looks like me. This is the balloon race. Careful, Daddy. And don't worry if you pop a balloon, because we have lots of extras. Bonk. Bonk. Bonk, bonk.
Everyone would have loved Mummy Pig's garden party, but everyone loves the balloon party even more. Peppa Pig and her friends are at the aquarium today. They're all pretending to be fish.
Meow, what's that?
This is an octopus. It has 8 long wibbly-wobbly legs.
Actually, an octopus only has 2 wibbly-wobbly legs. The other 6 are wibbly-wobbly arms. Rip-wop, rip-wop.
Wow, I wish I had a rainbow tail. Let's be mermaids, Susie. But we don't have mermaid tails. But we can pretend. Hooray!
Peppa and Susie are pretending they are mermaids with long, lovely tails.
Hello, seahorses. We can swim around just like you. Whee! Whee! It's so pretty. What is it?
This is an oyster. It has a pearl inside.
A pearl? What's a pearl?
It's a very lovely shiny object.
Can we open it and see it?
An oyster only opens when it's ready, so we'll just have to be patient.
I can't see the pearl. Excuse me, Mr. Oyster. Can you open, please? We're being really patient. Can you go, like at the dentist? Oh, it's not working. It's so tickly. Let's tickle it open.
Mermaid Peppa and Mermaid Susie are trying to tickle the oyster so it'll open. They tickle and tickle and tickle, but the oyster still won't open.
It's not working. We'll never see the pearl. We'll just have to wait. It's the pearl. It's so pretty.
The oyster has finally opened. The pearl inside is very lovely indeed.
Rip-wob, rip-wob! But I want to see the pearl. Can we make it open, please?
No, Danny. We have to be patient.
Everyone knows that being patient can be tricky, but Peppa and Susie know that the very lovely pearl will be worth the wait.
Hooray! Mummy, I really need a wee. Mummy, I'm bursting.
Aha! Don't worry, Peppa. There's a toilet right here.
Today, Peppa really needs the toilet, and this is a very fancy toilet.
Where is the toilet?
Oh, Peppa, it's, I don't know where it is.
It's here!
Do you need the toilet, George?
No. All done. Now to wash our hands. Nice and clean.
Now, where is the flush button?
I think this one looks quite flushy.
Peppa has turned on the hand dryer by mistake.
Whoops! Maybe it's this one. Oh. Or maybe it's this one. Pop, pop, pop. Pop. Mummy, can we go to the toilet, please?
There's only one button left that hasn't been pushed.
Flush must be this one. Phew, all done.
Now, George, you definitely don't need the toilet before we go.
No.
Lovely. Come on, then.
But, Mummy, it's very messy in here.
Don't worry, this is a very fancy toilet. So all we need to do is step outside. And as if by magic, ta-da! Ooh!
The very fancy toilet cleans itself.
This toilet is amazing!
Peppa and her family are heading home. But George is getting very wriggly.
What's the matter, George? Do you need the toilet?
But we've just been to the toilet. All right, back we go.
Oh. I I hope you can hold it, George.
George is desperate to use the very fancy toilet. Everyone is desperate to use the very fancy toilet. Today is Pancake Day. So Peppa and her family are eating at a fancy pancake restaurant.
Hello, I'll be your chef today. I make the pancakes right at your table, and you get to help.
What kind of pancakes can we make?
Any you can think of. We have lots of yummy ingredients.
I'll have the special mushroom pancake, please.
One banana-licious banana pancake with extra bananas for me, please.
Coming right up.
Miss Rabbit is good at making pancakes.
Thank you. Now a little colour. Then add the mushrooms. Bananas and extra bananas.
Ooh!
And now for the best bit.
Smelling?
Eating?
Flipping it!
Exactly! Woohoo!
Miss Rabbit is very good at making pancakes.
Whoa!
Ta-da!
Yay!
Mmm.
Phew! Now, what would you two like in your pancakes?
I would like a chocolatey chocolate pancake. With chocolate, please.
You clearly have a sweet tooth. And you, George? Oh. Peas and tomato for George.
And pineapple, coconut, cabbage. And this.
No, that's red hot chili. Peppa!
Peppa and George like all kinds of ingredients on their pancakes, and lots of them.
Ta-da!
Yay!
Want to help me flip? Now, on the count of 3, we'll give them a gentle little flip. 1, 2...
Flip!
Peppa and George have flipped their pancakes very high and onto Mr. Bull's plate.
Oh, yummy! Ta very much. It's sweet and savoury, crunchy and spicy. Oh, delicious!
It's a special surprise pancake. Pancake?
Peppa and George love making super special surprise pancakes.
Looks like we'll have to make another for you two.
Yay!
But they really love eating them when they're done. Today, Peppa and her family are at the supermarket. They're going to pay for their shopping at the till.
Huh?
Sorry, got to nip to the loo. Use the self-checkout if you like.
The self-checkout lets you scan and pay for your shopping all by yourself.
It's a big shopping robot.
Would you two like to scan the shopping?
Yes, please.
Hello, customers.
Hello, shopping robot.
Please place bags in the bagging area.
Bag. Yes, George. Mummy's handbag is a bag.
This bag is the wrong bag.
The shopping robot needs shopping bags.
This bag is the right bag.
Yay!
Please scan shopping.
Beep.
Peppa and George like scanning the shopping.
Item not scanned. Try again.
Oh, beep.
Item still not scanned. Try again.
There is a rather long queue waiting to use the shopping robot.
Item not scanned.
It's not working.
Item not scanned. Item not scanned. Items scanned.
Yay!
Please put 10 cartons of juice in the bagging area.
10? We don't need that much juice. Cancel juice.
More juice added. Please put 60 cartons of juice in the bagging area.
Cancel!
Oh. This should do it.
Mummy Pig is very good with computers and shopping robots.
How do we beat this, Mummy?
The pineapple doesn't have a little sticker to scan.
We have to find it on the screen. Pine cones? No. Pine nuts? No. Ah, pineapple. Here we go.
Yay!
Item is too light.
Oh, how about now?
Item too heavy. Error.
This one.
How about now? And now?
Stop! Press the button on the side.
Everyone in the supermarket is trying to help.
Too many errors.
Oh no! The shopping robot is broken.
Sorry, everyone. I'm back. Who's next?
Me. Oh, terrific.
Everyone loves going shopping,
Please scan shopping.
but not everyone loves the shopping robot.